Hello there. In this video, I want to continue the CPT surgery changes series we have started. So stay tuned for part 3. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, I provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. As a result of my straightforward strategies, tips, and optimistic approach to education and learning, I've helped hundreds of students become certified marketable medical coders who have developed dynamic careers in the business of healthcare and are valuable resources in their own right. Subscribe to my channel to get the latest and greatest information and tips you need to become a certified marketable medical coder. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of my weekly videos. Let's continue our discussion regarding the 2021 CPT coding changes. If you missed videos in this series, you can check them out here. Remember, all the annual changes are fair game for testing purposes on the current year exam. So today, let's look at the 40,000 series. But let me ask you, are you interested in the health information profession, specifically medical coding? If yes, are you interested in getting medical coding education and training? And are you interested in information regarding PRN's online medical coding course? Again, if the answer is yes, let me invite you to our next online live Q&A information session on Saturday, April 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. To register, see details in the description box. And check this out. Are you confused about all the medical coding programs, but unsure what to ask? Do you want to make sure you get everything you need to learn medical coding and become certified? Well, join me on the last Saturday of every month at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I will answer your burning questions regarding medical coding. Join our monthly medical coding course Q&A session. To join us, click the link to register. Can't wait to see you. The 40,000 surgery series represents codes in the digestive system. You know, from the rooter to the tutor. There were not a lot of changes in the digestive system. No new codes, but there was a deletion and revisions of parenthetical phrase guidelines. The revision is due to the new evaluation and management code changes. If you are not familiar or need a refresher, check out these videos on that series. The parenthetical phrase guideline for code 47537 in the biliary tract subsection of the digestive system used to reference evaluation and management code 99201. This code has been deleted, so the guidelines had to be revised to reflect the deletion. Once again, the advances of medicine in the form of current clinical practices has caused the demise of code 49220. Staging laparotomy for Hodgkin's disease or lymphoma, which includes splenectomy, needle or open biopsies of both liver lobes, possibly also removal of abdominal nodes, abdominal node and or bone marrow biopsies, and ovarian repositioning. This code has been deleted from the abdomen, peritoneum, and omentum subsection due to low utilization. A parenthetical phrase guideline has been created due to the deletion of the code. I hope this information was helpful for you and you have found value. If so, please share the video with your friends and others you know preparing for certification on your social media platforms. So you have learned about the new changes in the digestive system. You have also learned the low code utilization can cause a code to disappear. You've also learned that these changes are fair game when sitting for your 2021 CPC or any coding exam. And lastly, you have learned that I am hosting our next live Q&A information session on April 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will get exclusive information on our coding course specials, and I'll answer your burning questions regarding our online medical coding course. Check the link in the description box to register. Question of the day. Was this information helpful for you? And did you learn something that you can apply? Let me know your responses in the comments below. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. And if you are interested in more information on these tips and others on how to become a certified marketable medical coder, well, check out these videos and check this out. Are you interested in medical coding but not sure where to start and scared of wasting time and resources? Let me help you with the right steps to become a certified marketable medical coder. Learn more at bit.ly/5stepscoder. If you like the video, don't forget to let me know by hitting the thumbs up, hitting the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you are informed every week when I upload new content. I love hearing from you, so let me know you were here by providing a comment, asking a question, just saying hi. You can also give me a little love by sharing this video on your social media platforms. Let's stay connected and connect others. Remember, be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care, and thanks so much for watching.